In this quick video, I want to share with you 7 natural strategies to boost a man's testosterone levels, and stick around until the end because I'll also give you a bonus tip on how to do this effectively. If you're a man, optimizing your testosterone levels is crucial. You want them to be as high as possible. Naturally, some men may even need to rely on testosterone therapy prescribed by their doctor, but by following these 7 steps along with the bonus tip, you might be able to keep your testosterone within the upper normal range without needing external testosterone. Now, if you're a woman and you notice the man in your life is always fatigued, not getting things done, or just lacks energy, he might be dealing with low testosterone. If he's lost interest in hobbies or activities he used to enjoy, whether in or out of the bedroom, low testosterone could be the culprit. It's your role to find a gentle and loving way to share this video with him so he can benefit from optimizing his testosterone levels, and you might notice some positive changes too. So, if you know a guy who could use this information, share it with him in a way that doesn't hurt his feelings. Now, let's dive into the 7 natural ways you can enhance your testosterone levels without needing a prescription. There are 3 main concepts that underpin everything I'll cover in this video. First, you want your testosterone levels at the higher end of the normal range, aiming for levels of 700, 800 or even 900 is ideal, not just 100 or 200. Second, your testosterone receptors need to be highly responsive. You want the testosterone to bind effectively to these receptors. Some of the tips I'll share will help ensure that your receptors stay receptive and don't become resistant to testosterone. Third, you need to avoid things that can make you resistant to testosterone or act like estrogen in your body. Men need minimal estrogen, so anything that mimics estrogen is something you want to steer clear of. Alright, let's jump into the list. Tip number 1, and the most important one, make sure you're eating enough fat. Testosterone is derived from cholesterol, a molecule you might be familiar with. It is the building block of all sex hormones. Without enough cholesterol, you cannot produce testosterone. So don't be afraid of fats. If you're a vegan, you might need to reconsider your diet. You need to consume good animal fats to optimize your testosterone levels. When you eat enough fat, your body produces cholesterol, which is crucial for testosterone production. And remember, the all cholesterol theory of heart disease has been debunked, so feel free to enjoy fats as part of your strategy to naturally boost your testosterone. Tip number 2, significantly reduce your intake of sugar, starches and simple carbs. When you consume sugar or simple carbs, your insulin levels spike, which can lower your testosterone levels. So diss the candy and sweets, as they are not just unmanly, they are also lowering your testosterone. Tip number 3, reduce stress in your life. Not all stress is bad. If you're working on a business or chasing your goals, that's good stress, but you need to manage it so it doesn't become chronic. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which in turn lowers your testosterone and makes it harder for your body to use the testosterone it has. So get rid of sources of chronic stress wherever you can. Tip number 4, incorporate high intensity interval training. Emulate your ancient ancestors, lift heavy and run fast occasionally. You don't need a gym membership for this. Just search for HIIT Workouts online and get started. This kind of training will raise your testosterone and increase your human growth hormone levels, which is something many people pay big money for, but you can boost it naturally for free by breaking a sweat. Tip number 5, consider certain supplements. Zinc is essential, as most men need 25 to 50 milligrams daily. You can get it from a diet or a supplement. Magnesium is another important mineral that can slightly boost your testosterone. And don't forget about vitamin D. Get it from sunlight or a good supplement, as it's vital for hormone production, including testosterone. Tip number 6, try intermittent fasting. Surprisingly, not eating for 18 to 20 hours a day can increase your testosterone and HGH levels. This is why it's called the warrior diet. It makes you stronger by boosting these key hormones. Tip number 7, lose some weight. If you're carrying extra pounds, especially around your belly, that fat tissue acts like estrogen, lowering your testosterone levels, so shedding some weight can naturally boost your testosterone. Now, here's the bonus tip. Get rid of xenoestrogens in your life. These are chemicals that mimic estrogen in your body. Never eat or drink anything hot from plastic containers. Switch to glass, stainless steel or ceramic instead. These xenoestrogens are everywhere, in your clothes, your car and your food. But by minimizing your exposure, you can prevent these estrogen-like effects and keep your testosterone levels healthy. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever I share more tips. These are the 7 natural ways to boost your testosterone, plus a bonus tip. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.